What's up, everybody? Sorry, I don't have a forward-facing phone, so I don't know if I'm in screenshot or not, and it's going to be jumpy because I am driving. I am on my way to Elyria, Kansas to help with my wife's ex-in-laws harvesting potatoes. I know that sounds strange, but it's from her first husband. They have 2 kids together, so they have grandchildren. And she was married once after that, and she had another kid with that man, and they took that girl in just as one of their own grandchildren. I have a kid with her. They're not quite as involved with her life, but these people have helped us out immensely, and this is my way of being able to pay it back to them by going out there and helping harvest their potatoes, as well as a great learning opportunity for me. So I'm going to get off of here because I do not like driving and using my phone at the same time, and the police that are usually on this stretch of highway don't like it either. So, see you at the homestead.
Well, we were on limited time, so I didn't get as much footage as I wanted to. Here is some of his chickens that he has out on the homestead. And then we're going to jump over to a little bit of sunflowers that he has. And you'll see him showing off one that he's particularly fond of. That is Greg. And then cleaning out the potato rows, getting ready to harvest. And this wheelbarrow that you see here, we actually got that about 3/4 of the way full.
Alright, so about 2 hours, we did about 7 rows of taters. Pretty good. Got about half that wheelbarrow full. Gave me a grocery sack full. Gave my daughter a grocery sack full. So that's about the greatest thing about it is the pay. And I told them too that to me, working in a homestead like that is much better than any job because you get to keep everything you make. Everything you make there, working in a garden like that, you don't have to give any of that to the tax man. You don't have to give any of that to the grocery store. So I can definitely see where homesteading is going to pay off big time. So a little dirty, but it's expected when you're digging in the dirt. It's worth it. Anyways, I'm going to stop this. I'm going to pick it up here in a minute because I want to show you guys something. So I live in McPherson, Kansas, smack dab in the center of Kansas. And a lot of people would think, oh, smack dab in the center of Kansas, if shit hits the fan, it's really not going to affect that area too much. Well, I'm here to let you know, not true. Because right here, that's the NRCA oil refinery here in town. I live less than a mile. I live about a mile away from it, I'd say. So if anything was to pop off, this is a pretty big target where I'm living. So this is definitely one of the reasons why I want to prepare for when the shit does hit the fan. So anyways, I'm going to give you guys a little more scenic look of that. Go ahead and get off here and get home, get cleaned up, edit some videos so I can post them up tomorrow night, which will be Sunday. Until then, keep on keeping on.